Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering evidence. Open the invoice or bank statement that shows the Probiller charge because you will need the merchant ID and amounts. Once done, make sure you have the account email, last four of the card used, and the membership start date at hand. This speeds verification. Also confirm whether the charge is recurring versus one-time by checking the description and next charge date. These steps cut friction when you contact support or your bank. You now reach out to the party handling the membership. First, use contact details on the statement or any portal linked to the charge. Log in if possible. When you speak to support, give the merchant ID, proof of payment, and identity info so they can verify and locate the subscription quickly. Ask them to cancel immediately and provide a confirmation number and written confirmation by email. If they refuse, escalate to the account manager or request supervisor. You finish by blocking future charges and resolving problems. If the vendor fails to cancel, file a dispute or chargeback with your bank or card issuer immediately and provide your cancellation attempts and proof. Also, remove or update the stored payment method in any merchant portal and change passwords if needed. Once done, save all confirmation emails and set a calendar reminder to check your statements over the next 2 billing cycles. If a charge reappears, contact your bank and escalate with the documented evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.